what a day it's been. Tesla just reported earnings. Okay, it is Tuesday, July 23rd, New York City, 5:58 p.m. This means that at 4 o'clock the numbers were announced. They were terrible. And this means that at 5:30 the conference call began. And Elon has not been able to spin stories and tell lies this time. Now I'm going to base this on fact. Okay. We're down $16. Very, very nice. Some of you will buy the dip, whatever. But I have a history. Now, bear with me. I'm going to take you back in my history to show you only that I have some credibility, long-term credibility with Tesla and trading it with options before there was a yield max. 101% Tesla win 3 years ago. Tesla short win. Okay, hold on. 200% one-day options gain. Okay, Tesla for the win. Okay, this is 3 years ago. Had a profit from shorting options. So let's take a look. I don't know what this was. This was pre-split. Okay, look, $700 Tesla. Where's my options account? Look here. Oh, we were so happy. We were like rating shuffle dance girls. I was talking about profits, but then I show you. Hold on. These were my puts. Okay. Oh, this was Netflix. Why was I talking about Netflix here? I don't know, but there's so many. Wait, I'll show you one where I made $30,000 in an hour. Okay, the Big Short Tesla. I've been doing this from 3 years ago, before Kathy Wood was made of wood. Okay, you had no idea. I've been crushing it. So, I have a history with Tesla. I made $31,000 in 1 hour here. Okay, I did videos how to short Tesla. I was gonna do shorting Tesla daily. Okay, now let's jump right to it. The last earnings were terrible. I'm just trying to go through this, see what we got here. Okay, I seen some kind of E-Trade. Hold on. Oh my God, up 114,000. Is that correct? That can't be correct. I don't know what that is. I must have added money. I don't know what that is. But we had 695 puts. All right, and that was probably the before. Let's see. Yep, there he is. Okay, this looks like it was market open. Okay, and I'm up $25,000. So I could say, and that's in 1 hour. Okay, hold on. What is this? I don't know. He's probably explaining all kinds of stuff. You know the article.
We took that profit, then we went back in with 20.
Yeah, so anyway, same thing as I do with my trading. So I have a history with Tesla. So now, there's two parts to earnings. I am an earnings expert. Okay, you see, in NVIDIA, you have a pitchman. In Tesla, you have a pitchman. You have Elon. At AMZ, we have no pitchman. You know, Jeff is swimming out in the ocean with the fake titties. I would too. I mean, he was a bald nerd all his life and became rich. I'd be out there with the floating with the fake titties too. So we don't have anybody. Now, let's get down to business. All right? I lost $30,000 because of Elon's lies last earnings. When the stock blew up and went on a run, why did that happen to me? Let's go to videos. We'll find it. I was very honest. I said never bet against a billionaire because everybody was saying that it was all negative. Remember last quarter was all negative. And I think that there was a paid publicity push by Tesla to they said, look, all the bad news is out there. Let's go ahead, my Lambo, number 5. Let's go out there and just have the YouTubers and the bloggers and everybody just say how terrible things are for Tesla. And what they were doing was lowering expectations. Okay? Way before yield max, right? Lowering expectations. This was actually yield max, but it was last quarter. And well, they made it easy for Elon to come on at 5:30. We're past 5:30 now. It's 6:02. Let me see. Because last time the stock dropped on terrible numbers, and then when Elon spoke and gave you robots and Homo sapien masturbation with the robot, and the robot that looks like AI, and it's walking around, the Optimus, okay? I don't know what kind of dyslexic bullshit he was talking, but the stock went up to the moon. Well, today he talked, and there's the call. It's still going down. I've been tracking it. So tomorrow, now I know the trend will be. Now I know what the trend will be down. I don't care. He couldn't save it by telling you fairy tales this time. It's in too deep. Now, started watching it. This was before. It was only down to it. Oh, this was meta. That was something different. You know, I had a little meta and I unloaded it before earnings today. I had Phoebe, FBY. I was testing it. And well, when I seen this happen, well, actually, I had a feeling this would happen. I did it early this morning. You might have caught it in my video. I don't have it anymore. It's long gone. Anyway, and they did earnings after the bell. So you know, if you see that I don't have it, you know I unloaded it before earnings. Just like tomorrow, I will unload TSLY. I am not a believer. I'm an opportunist. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an idea creator. I help you synthesize your own ideas from mine. So now we look, and I was watching. It was down $10.30, 4%. And I'm watching the time, 5:25, conference call is going to start, okay? And he started talking. Let's refresh. He's probably talking now. It's down even more. Okay, this is a great sign. Now, let's go back to when I lost $30,000. Let me show you where he put the hat on me. I shorted on BingX. I admit it. There's the ass brow. Let's go all the way back. We're going back. Kathy Wood. She is Wood now. Liquidated by a billionaire. Oracle versus Tesla. He lied. He lied last earnings. He sold you a story. And you all bought it. This time, he cannot cover up the terrible numbers. Okay? Everything is dropping. I love it. The electric cars suck. Okay, they're going back to hybrid, which seems to be better, more acceptable to people. Okay? And people are falling asleep with this fake self-driving masturbation, trusting the cars and crashing into people, and now they're doing it with 7,000-pound Cybertrucks. But hey, I don't know anything. All I know is, you know, the day he got me, right? And he did those lies. There was, you know what? I'm going to explain it to you. There was a gap. There was a gap down to 130 2 days before earnings, and that's why I went all in on my short. Okay, look, Tesla, did we just get an earnings tip? The Matrix slip. I'm taking you in. With YouTube fair use and copyright. Nobody had seen this. Nobody was watching this channel back then. Okay? Did we just get a tip? This was before last earnings. 2 minutes. Superstitious. What if you'd seen the future? Is this a sign? It's for you to decide. Earnings for Tesla can be longed or shorted on the BingX exchange with leverage. Not anymore. BingX did away with that. You can't do it anymore. Nobody wants you to be rich. Continue, Oracle. Today, as I make this video, it's the 22nd. Tomorrow, April 23rd, was their scheduled earnings. And I seen a glitch. You want to see it? I got the gap filmed. Is the 23rd. During the day at 4 p.m., they will announce their earnings. The numbers first, and then Elon or whoever will speak at the conference call at like 4 or 5:45. 5:45. They say, well, either what I could only experience as seeing the future this morning. Is it possible that some way, somehow, because I watch the markets like nobody's ever seen before, Tesla right now is $142. Do you know what happens when earnings go bad? You can get really rich really fast. I made a video. A lot of people don't subscribe for this channel. April, and then they had earnings. This alone. All right. Hold on. That's not it. Get to the point, Oracle. I don't have all day. Show them what happened. Here we are. This was Tesla. Let's see. I don't want to miss the beginning. It was shocking. All right. So I'm making this video this morning. Okay. You never see a drop. This is 2 days before last earnings. Okay. There was a very suspicious drop at the open. I got it on video. And what happened was they missed earnings really bad. But Elon came on at 5:30, the second part of earnings, and gave the conference call and told you all stories. And the stock is $100 higher than this price now, based on those stories. He wasn't able to do it today. He failed. Now, we shall see if this gap fills. Let's watch this. Up like that unless it's earnings. Is this indicative of what we are
Watch.
going to see come? Well, the earnings are tomorrow, possibly Wednesday morning. For the dumb, slow people, this was the previous earnings. I know there are some of you that are dumb. I see the comments. I read all of them. I'm going to do a comment video. It's like an odd percentage from Cambodia. I don't know. Don't take it personally. I could have said ass Browland. Is this a sign of the future? Watch this. I don't know. I'm superstitious, but I never see this happen unless it's a bad report. Watch this when the market opened. Go. Is this refreshed? Watch the Tesla open. Look at that red line. Oh my God, look at that. Look at how Tesla opened. Look, is this in that they dumped all the way down to 130. Somebody unloaded before last earnings because they knew they were bad. They didn't expect, this had to be a big firm. They didn't expect Elon to be able to pull off what he did. You all took the bait because you're like in a cult. I never fall in love with something that's going to make me money, and that's why many of you have lost money. And now, many of you may lose money again. I know this is not popular or positive or something to hear, but remember, I was the one who taught you about the TSLY sandwich a month ago, and nobody gave it time to work or play out. They were like, oh, it opened at $20, dropped to 13. You didn't have to buy it at 20, okay? I bought it, I flipped right out of it, I realized it was the wrong time, and I bought it again today before earnings. Usually this follows a trend. We blew up a lot over the promise of a robot in your house. That sucks. Everything is always a story. I'm not going to bash Tesla, but I'm going to profit from this. You bet your balls in my AMZ plan. I see you right now. I did it today, all right? I still have my core holding of AMZ, and it's crazy that when I look down here at 53,000 accumulated, I've only taken this one dividend and experimented all around with things. I've never deviated from the plan, okay, but I'm accumulating money. And again, I go down here and I just give myself notes. We don't have in AMZ a charismatic leader like Jeff Bezos, okay, in the ocean with the fake titties swimming around. At least Tesla has Elon, but it's the only product we don't have at AMZ. But the truth is that, was that a slip in the matrix? Who knows? Could this be the beginning of something slipping away? I don't know, but I'm going to make money no matter what. And I was never a fan of Tesla, and I remain not a fan, okay? So I'm going to watch this guy get wrecked again, all right? He's getting his TSLY pummeled, and I'm going to love it because I'm a prick. Yeah. Thank you.